Hai Labiba, hai Keisha, Assalamualaikum.
Hai Miss, Waalaikumsalam.
Keisha, can you hear us? Keisha is still black. Labiba, tomorrow is a holiday. Are you going to have a holiday or not from your school?
Yes,
Yes, you are going to have a holiday too. So, what are you going to do for the holiday? Labiba, what are you going to do for the holiday?
uh, I study.
Yo, holiday and you're going to study? Hi, Cello. Welcome to the class. Keisha, can you hear us? Keisha is still. I'm not sure if Keisha is there. Cello, welcome to the class. Hello. Ah, there he is. Oh, hello, Yellow. Cello is wearing yellow. Oh, not really yellow. Okay. So, hello, yellow, red, still yellow. Seriously, what is going on with Keisha? Is she there or what? Cello, tomorrow is a holiday, right?
Yes.
So what are you going to do for the holiday? Don't tell me you're going to study like Labiba.
Assalamualaikum Miss.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi Keisha, Keisha. Hi Aulia, welcome to the class. So sorry. So Aulia, I was asking your classmates, tomorrow is a holiday. What are you going to do for the holiday? Cello hasn't told us. What are you going to do for the holiday, Cello?
Go to grandmother house.
Cello is going to go to his grandmother's house. How about you, Alia? Ah, Keisha is finally here. Hello, Keisha. Welcome to the class. Yo, this is Keisha. Hello, Keisha. Welcome to the class.
Hello Miss.
Ah, ya Allah tuh. Please. So tomorrow is a holiday. What are you going to do for the holiday? While we're waiting for Aira. Aulia, what are you going to do? What's taking you so long?
To go to school.
Huh? You're not having a holiday tomorrow?
No.
Oh, I see. Because it's a national holiday, I thought you would have a holiday tomorrow. Labiba has a holiday, Cello has a holiday. How about you, Keisha? Are you going to have a holiday?
Yes,
Mm-hmm. So what are you going to do?
I'm going to Malang and visit my brother.
Eh, Evan is now in the first, and yeah, first or second grade?
Second,
Second grade. Oh, there you go. Mm-hmm. So Keisha is going to go to the boarding school to visit her brother. Okay. Where is Aira? What is going on? Okay, while we're waiting for Aira, everyone, let's watch this video first.
with an eye for a better future. Masdar City is centrally and strategically located next to Abu Dhabi Airport, from where major international markets can be reached within hours. The city is built using traditional Arabic architecture combined with modern technology. Narrow walkways capture the wind and provide shade, making the perceived temperature 10 degrees cooler in Masdar City than elsewhere in Abu Dhabi, encouraging a healthy and comfortable lifestyle, where everything is within walking distance. The buildings are powered by clean energy, constructed using green building materials and designed to reduce energy and water consumption by 40%. This modern work-life space is made possible by the forward-thinking approach in designing every detail of Masdar City, making it the green print for cities across the world. But this is just the beginning. Masdar City will grow one neighborhood at a time, adding new businesses, schools, restaurants, apartments, and so much more. Eventually, over 90,000 people will live and work in the city. Throughout the expansion, residential, cultural, and commercial areas will be interwoven with parks and a wide variety of services and amenities. Residents and visitors can leave their cars behind and enjoy the open and pedestrian-friendly neighborhoods. Integrated, clean and smart transportation systems, including a fleet of electric vehicles and driverless cars, keep the city accessible and livable as it grows. Masdar City is a vibrant place. It brings together a diverse range of tenants and professionals, creating a unique business climate. The city is a free zone that welcomes companies both large and small. With the Masdar Institute of Science and Technology at the city's core, they can count on highly skilled graduates and opportunities for research partnerships.
When we set up our company, it was as simple as 1, 2, 3, 3 steps and 5 days. That's all it took to start up in Masdar City. Office space is immediately available and taxes and import tariffs are non-existent. Setting up our company in Masdar City gave us a competitive edge in the Emirates and around the globe. Join us and the many other companies who have chosen Masdar City to be the home of their business.
Welcome to Masdar City, the city of possibilities, a daring and evolutionary journey to build the world's most advanced and sustainable city we are shaping.
Cello, I told you to wait until the video is over to join, and Cello just joined
located next
in
to
the
Abu Dhabi Airport,
beginning.
from where
Okay,
major
now everyone can
international
join
markets
it.
can be reached
We have
within
watched the
hours.
video.
The city is built using traditional Arabic architecture combined with modern
Keisha is
technology
on,
and design.
okay.
Narrow walkways capture the wind and provide shade, making the perceived temperature 10 degrees cooler in Masdar City than elsewhere in
Oh,
Abu Dhabi,
Ira, this one.
encouraging a
You just need
healthy
to
and
go to
comfortable lifestyle,
kahoot.it
where everything is within walking
and then
distance.
enter the game pin.
The buildings
Is
are
Ira
powered by
here?
clean energy, constructed using
Yes.
green
Oh,
building
yeah, she
materials
is.
and designed to reduce energy and water consumption by 40%.
Okay.
This modern work-life space is made possible by the forward-thinking approach in
We're
designing
waiting
every
for
detail of
Ira.
Masdar City, making it the green print for cities across the world. But this is just the beginning. Masdar City will grow one neighborhood at a time, adding new businesses, schools, restaurants,
are you there?
apartments, and so much more. Eventually, over 90,000 people will
Ira?
live and work in the city. Throughout the expansion, residential, cultural, and commercial areas will be interwoven with parks and a wide variety
Yo,
of
what's
services
happening?
and amenities. Residents and visitors can leave
Ira,
their
can you
cars
hear
behind
us?
and enjoy the open and
What, miss? My connection is back.
integrated,
Oh,
clean
okay.
and smart transportation systems, including a fleet of electric vehicles and driverless cars, keep the city accessible and livable as it grows. Masdar City is a vibrant place. It brings together a diverse range of tenants and professionals.
Okay, so let's wait for Ira. She's still. So what's the name of the city that you see in the video?
Abu Dhabi.
Not Abu Dhabi.
Dubai.
Dubai, no way. Listen to it one more time. It says all the time, blah, blah, blah city is blah, blah, blah city is. Check.
unique business climate. The city is a free zone that welcomes companies both large and small. With the Mazda Institute of Science and Technology at the city's core, they can count on highly skilled graduates and opportunities for research partnerships.
When we set up our company, it was as simple as 1, 2, 3, 3 steps and 5 days. That's all it took to start up in Masdar City. Office space is immediately available.
So, what city?
Yang sebelah sini deh. Aku tuh nyelip. Coba tangan kamu masukin.
No?
Warsaw City.
Yeah, we will watch it again if you haven't got it. Okay, so let's start the game first before we get on to the city. Ready everyone? Let's go. Yo! Green scenery. What does it mean by green scenery?
Pemandangan hijau.
Pemandangan hijau. It's not downtown. Downtown is tengah kota. So it should be the park. Okay, let's see. We got the Keisha and Aulia. Okay, there you go. The next one. Let's go. There you go. Finally, central area, tengah kota, downtown. Okay, got it. Next, let's go. I forgot to click the next. Yay! Well done, everybody. Another strike. Woo-hoo! Keisha is still the fastest one. Guys, special lane for cycling. Bicycle, cycling. So it should be bike path. Okay. What is tram again? What is it? Sorry.
Like a train.
Like a train, but sometimes it's using electricity. So tram is like a train, but sometimes, most of the times, it's using electricity. Okay, Keisha has 4 streak. There you go. It's like an electric bus, an electric train, tram. They are buildings. They can be houses, offices, schools, or stores. When you talk about villages, it means the whole thing, including the trees and the streets. But these are just buildings. Okay. Selo is taken over by Labiba. Labiba is number 4 now. Guys, look at this. A green city. What does it mean by a green city?
Kota hijau.
Kota hijau. So when you talk about green, we usually talk about trees and so on. So a green city has a low number of this. Low. Kira-kira apa yang rendah kalau di kota yang hijau? Yang sehat?
Polusi.
Yeah, the pollution is low. So not the bike path. Okay. Yo, Selo is taking over Labiba. Okay. So it's there you go. Wildlife. Okay. Well done. 4 of you know what it means. So to change sunlight into electricity. When we talk about sunlight, we talk about the sun, right? Another name for the sun is this, solar. So that's why we have a solar eclipse. Gerhana matahari in English is solar eclipse. When we talk about the sun, it's solar also. So solar panels. One more, the last one. From wind. Again, 4 of you got it. Okay, so when we talk about turning wind power, what does it mean by wind? So sorry.
Angin.
Angin, got it. Mengubah tenaga angin menjadi listrik. Windstorms are actually, what does it mean by windstorms?
Badai angin.
Badai angin.
Badai angin, but we need this thing to change wind power into electricity. Okay, before we go to this one, the blue one, let's check the winner first. Podium. Aura, number 3. Okay, so everyone, we talk about that thing to change wind power into electricity. What's the name again?
Turbine.
Almost. Now I'm going to ask you to find that thing. So find it on Google. How to say the word and what does it look like? The picture and how to say the word Turbine. If you can find a picture, please share your screen. If you find the pronunciation, share your sound. Turbine. How do you say the word? And what does the thing look like? Okay, Aulia has started sharing screen sharing. So this is the deal, the thing. You take a look at this. Aulia, can you click it? So usually it looks like this, and it's huge. Aulia, can you please add plus human in the search bar? Plus human. So you can see how big it is. In here, Aulia, plus human. Hum you already have plus. Okay, plus human. You don't need the plus. Okay, I'm sorry. See, can you see? Wait. Aulia, this one. Can you see where the human is? Where's the human? Guys, where's the human? You can circle Aulia's screen. Ah, there you go. Is it small or big?
Small.
Wow. So this thing is very big. It's huge, humongous. Okay. So how do you say the name of the thing anyway?
Turbine.
There you go. Let's say it together. Everyone, please follow Aira. Turbine.
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 Labiba. Labiba. Let's go. Turbine.
Turbine.
Cello, turbine.
What, Miss?
No. Please follow Aira. Turbine.
Turbine.
Okay. To make it clear, we can say wind turbines.
Wind turbines.
Turbines.
Okay, so if it's more than one, wind turbines. Thank you, Aulia. Thank you, Aira, for sharing. Okay, so we have wind turbines. Let's check your student book now. Please go to chapter 8. Chapter 8. We're already in chapter 9, Miss Daddy. Chapter 9, lesson 2. Okay. Okay, chapter 9, lesson 2. Take a look at this. What can you see in the picture? Can you read all the little words there?
Yes.
What are these?
One,
Wind turbines. Turbine.
Is it wine or win?
Wind turbines.
Wind turbines. Okay, let's check it together one more time. Wind turbines.
Wind turbines. Wind turbines.
How about this one? Can you read?
Solar panels.
Solar panels. Got it. And then this one?
Electric tram.
Oh, almost. Not electric, but electric. Electric trams.
Electric
Electric tram.
tram. Electric tram.
And then this one?
Bicycle.
Bicycle or bicycles?
Bicycles.
Bicycles. Got it. And then the next picture also has writings. Let's check. What is this?
Office.
Almost. This this is not office. Offices.
Offices.
Check. 1, 2, 3. Offices.
Offices.
Say hello. Let's go. La Biba. Offices.
Offices.
Mhm. School.
School.
Then
School.
Course.
store. Okay. We also have this.
Eco.
Not eco.
Eco.
Echo. Okay. If you take a look at Echo Town, what does it mean by Echo Town? So, what does it mean by Echo Town? Echo or eco? Let's check.
Echo Town.
So, some people say Echo Town. I say Echo Town.
Eco Town.
But some people also say Eco Town. What does it mean?
A new town that is specially designed to make it easy for people to live there with as little impact on the environment as possible.
So a healthy town for people to live, and it will be easy for people to live there. What does it mean by easy? For example, in Jakarta, oh, this is Aira's problem. Sorry, Aira, but it's true. In Jakarta, if you want to go everywhere, there are traffic jams. True, Aira?
True.
True, traffic jams, kemacetan. So when it's an eco town or an eco town, there will be low traffic jams. What else is low in an eco town? What do you think is low? Besides traffic jams. You already have it during the Kahoot. What else has a low number in an eco town or a green town? Eco town.
Pollution.
Pollution. There you go. Pollution number is also low. How can you lower the pollution number? How can we lower pollution number in a town? Oh, I'm going to ask you something. Which one is giving more pollution? A car or a bicycle?
Car.
Car.
Car. Got it.
Car.
Why is it giving more pollution? Why is car giving more pollution than a bicycle?
Making smoke.
Because there's a smoke. Anything else besides the smoke?
Because it uses petrol.
It's using petrol. There you go. Menggunakan bahan bakar minyak BBM. Well, bicycle, what do you use to move a bicycle? Oh, this is Selo. Okay, so you use your own power to move the bicycle. That's why it is greener. Okay, now let's take a look at this student book again. What are these two pictures about anyway? Is this like are they students learning at school? Or are they joining a competition?
They're joining a competition.
They're joining a competition. What do you think is the competition? I'll give three options. One, to design a future school. Two, to design a future town. Or three, to design an eco town. Which one is it, guys? Is it
To design future town.
to design a future town? Mm,
Eco Town.
Eco town, to design an eco town. Here you go. Okay, so we have an eco town here. We have two posters of the eco town. Hang on a second. Let me turn off my phone. It's busy. Dang ding dong ding dang ding dong. Okay. We have competition entry A and competition entry B. We're going to read it. So there are 5 people, but only 2. We're going to read it one sentence, one person. Ready? Okay, so one sentence, one person. Be ready when I call your name. Okay, so you need to listen to your classmates and you need to listen to me. First one, let's go with Labiba. This one, my town will be.
My town will be on a big island in the sea.
Thank you, Labiba. Aira.
Everyone will live on smaller island around the town.
Thank you, Aira. Selo.
Boats will bring people to the town.
Thank you, Selo. Keisha.
Downtown, there will be a business area with stores and offices in tall buildings.
Thank you, Keisha. Aulia.
There won't be any traffic because we won't need a car.
Thank you, Keisha. Selo.
There will be electric trams and moving sidewalks.
Keisha.
People will be able to sit and enjoy the wildlife in a big park.
Labiba.
Children won't have to go to school. They will learn at home using their computers.
Thank you. There you go. Oh, we have several words that we need to check from this part. How do you say this word again?
Live.
Live. Got it. So not live, live. Everyone will live. And then this one.
Business.
Business. Got it. Okay. The last one is this. We already learned this.
Building.
Is it with you or with I?
Building.
Is it building or building? B.
Buildings.
Buildings. Got it. So don't use the you, just use the I. Okay, let's check one more time. Live, business, building.
Live business buildings.
Live business buildings.
Thank you. Keisha, Labiba, live business buildings.
Live business buildings.
Business buildings.
Got it. Okay. Now we're going to go to the second entry. Okay. Ready? Let's start. Aulia.
There won't be any tall buildings in Ecotown, so you will be able to see the sky.
Aira.
The stores won't be above the ground. They will be under the ground.
Keisha.
The offices will be there too.
Labiba.
Families will live in beautiful new houses downtown with swimming pools in the yard.
Cello.
The school building will be made of glass so the children can look outside.
Mhm. Back to Aira.
You will be able to ride bikes around the entire town on bike paths.
The last one, Aulia.
There won't be any other type of transportation.
Oh, there's another one. Keisha.
It will be very green.
Thank you. There you go. Okay, so you have 3 more words to go. How do you say this one again, guys?
You will?
I know it is you will, but when you write it like this, please don't say you will. How do you say this exactly?
You will.
No way. The meaning is you will. Artinya you will, tapi bacanya nggak you will kalau kayak gini. Let's go. You'll. There you go. So don't read it as you will when it's written like this. It's you'll. Just like when you write you're, it's not you are. Okay? When you write like this, okay, please don't read it as you are. This is your, okay? The same as this, you'll. So let's say it together. You'll be able to see the sky.
You'll be able to see the sky.
Thank you, Keisha. Others, astaghfirullah, only Keisha.
You'll be able to see the sky.
To see the sky.
Thank you, Selo and Labiba. Aulia, Aira, let's go.
You'll be able to see the sky.
There you go. You'll be able. You'll. Okay. This one?
Outside.
So please don't say oh, but outside. Outside. Okay.
Outside. Outside.
Got it. Aulia, Keisha, Selo?
Outside.
Outside.
Got it. Remember? Ow, 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 ow. So not oh, 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 oh. Outside. The last one.
Very.
Nice, very good. Okay, so instead of saying very, very, V, very good. Check, check. I want to hear that V, not F. So not very good, very good. Aira, go.
Very good.
Oh, very good, Aira. Okay, Aulia, one more time, please.
Very good.
Ayo, thank you, Aulia. Labiba.
Very good.
Very good. Got it. Okay. Keisha?
Very.
Very. Vivi, still F. V, very.
Very.
Got it. There you go. Very. Selo?
Very good.
It's still F. You need to have it here. Touch your throat, Selo. Pegang sininya, harus bergetar. Very.
Very.
V, V, very.
Very.
If you say very, sininya nggak bergetar. Harus sampai bergetar di bagian lehernya. Very.
Very.
There you go. This is very. So this is the difference between very and very. When you say very, harus dari sini, okay? Suaranya harus bergetar. Because in English, V and V are very different. We already know that. We already talked about it. I'm just reminding it. Okay. So we have two pictures and two towns. If you were the judges, which picture, which eco town would win and why? I'll give you 1 minute to decide. Which one is the winner and why? Entry A or entry B?
Entry B win.
Why is it, Aira?
Because they have
Hang on, Aira. Let's say it like this. Entry B will win. We are using will.
entry B will win
Because
because they have it all.
they have, sorry, what?
They have it all.
They have it all? What do you mean by have it all?
They have solar panels,
This one too.
wind turbines,
This one too.
entry B will win because it's beautiful.
Ah, there you go. Another reason. Because if you talk about wind turbines, it's here too. Solar panels, it's here too. Okay, so that's according to Aira because entry B's picture is beautiful. Okay, so that's Aira's reason. How about the others? Labiba, Aulia, Keisha, Selo? A or B and why? Guys, you have more than 1 minute already. Aira, choose randomly. Up to you. Choose one person. They are not. Keisha, go Keisha. A or B and why? Keisha, don't take too long, guys. This is my loading time. Drrrr. Let's go, Keisha. A or B and why? Keisha, too long. Let's go. Guys, remember what I said. May I speak Indonesian, please?
Yes.
Yeah. Respond time is important. Kemampuan kalian menjawab dalam tempo yang singkat atau lebih singkat waktu tunggunya loh ya, bukan jawabannya yang pendek dan singkat, tapi waktu tunggu untuk menjawabnya singkat, will define your English skills. Akan mencerminkan kemampuan berbahasa Inggris kalian. Kalau ditanya, hi, how are you? Jawabannya 30 detik atau 40 detik, wah, udah kelamaan lah. Nah, kalau untuk dijawab ini, so which one is the winner, A or B? Ya, udah Miss Tati kasih waktu 1 menit loh tadi. Let's go. Keisha. Allahu Akbar, Keisha. Come on. Aira, another person. Keisha is taking too long. This is not because I'm mean, okay? Bukan karena Miss Teti jahat. Tapi kenyataan, kalau kita ditanya orang, 1 menit kita nggak jawab, pasti ditinggal sama orangnya. Okay, so let's try and make our response time faster. Go ahead, Aira.
Hello.
Cello. Cello, A or B, and why?
Entry B will win because solar panels have many trees.
Have many, sorry?
Trees.
Trees, okay. Solar panels are also here, but if you say it has many trees, I'll take that. Thank you, Cello. Okay, Cello, the next person, who is it?
Aulia.
Aulia, go ahead, Aulia.
Entry A will win because have more option for energy using turbines and solar panels.
Okay, because entry B, but entry B also has turbines and solar panels, Aulia. Here, solar panels, turbines. So, what do you think? Aulia, let's go. Why?
Entry A will win because the view will be beautiful.
Entry A will win because the view is beautiful. Okay, I'll take that. Hey, why can I not stop it? Okay, Aulia, choose the next person, please.
Labiba.
Labiba. So, Labiba, which one do you think?
Entry B.
Why?
Because there are buildings.
There are
Buildings.
buildings. So, entry A doesn't have buildings if you take a look at this. Okay. Oh, there is. There will be buildings too, Labiba. Here you go. So?
Because there is a school.
There is what, sorry?
A school.
Schools. Oh, because there will be schools still. Entry A, if you can see this, doesn't have school. Children will learn at home using their computers, like us, online. Okay. The last one, Keisha, go ahead.
Entry A because
Entry A will win because
Entry A will win because
what, sorry?
it's very green and it very green, and it maybe doesn't have a pollution.
Ah, because the picture is very green, maybe it won't have pollution. There you go. Thank you. Mm, let's take a look at this now, everyone. Activity 2. Okay. Let's check A or B. For example, there won't be school. It's entry A. So you have 2 until 7. I'll give you 1 minute to complete the activity. Go ahead. You can do it in your book too. Okay. So number 2, who wants to do it?
Only
Aulia, go ahead. Please read it and then A or B.
People will live downtown. B.
B, people will live downtown. How do you know, Aulia? Where's the line that says people will live downtown? From B? How do you know that it's B? Which one's the line?
The office will be
The office will be
there.
there. But it says people will live downtown. This one is offices. So which one is it? Ah, go ahead and read it. Families.
Families will live in beautiful new houses downtown with swimming pools in the yards.
There you go. So number 2 is B. Aulia is right. We have this. Number 3, who wants to do it? Aulia, you get to choose.
I miss.
Oh, Celo will do it. Okay, go ahead, Celo. Please read and then A or B.
There won't be any tall buildings.
Hmm.
A.
A, where can you see it? Which sentence is talking about there won't be any tall buildings?
Mm,
Are you sure it's A? Celo, can you read entry B one more time from the beginning?
mm,
Please read entry B. Cello, please read entry B.
There won't be any tall buildings.
So number 3 is A or B? Cello, number 3 is A or B?
A.
No. Here, this is the answer. Did you read entry B? Baca
B.
lagi. Baca lagi. Entry B-nya apa? Kalimat pertamanya.
There won't be any tall buildings.
Nah, nomor 3 apa kalimatnya?
Um,
What's the
there
sentence?
won't be
Go. There won't be.
any tall buildings.
Ya kan sama. Okay, so the answer is
B.
B. Number 3 is B. And this is the answer. Okay. Number 4, anybody wants to do it?
Aira,
Aira again, go ahead.
there will be moving sidewalks.
Hmm.
A.
A, where can you find the sentence?
By
Okay, there you go. There will be, go Aira.
There will be electric trams and moving sidewalks.
Electric or electric?
There will be electric trams and moving sidewalks.
Thank you, Aira. So number 4 is A. Number 5. Who wants to do
Labiba.
it? Labiba, go ahead.
Children will have to go to school. B.
B, where can you find the sentence?
The school building will be made of glass so the children can look outside.
Very good. Thank you, Labiba. B is the answer. Number 6. Anybody? Number 6. You can repeat, up to you. Aulia can do it again. Aira can do it again. Labiba can do it. Aulia, go ahead. Number 6.
People will ride bikes everywhere.
Hmm.
B.
B, where's the sentence?
You'll be able to ride bikes around the entire town on bike paths.
Hmm. You'll be able to ride bikes around the entire town, on bike paths. Number 6 is B. Number 7, the last one,
Keisha,
Keisha. So sorry, Aira. Keisha?
you will be able to see a lot of wildlife.
Mhm.
A.
A, which one is the sentence? Go and read it, Keisha. Go.
Um, people will be able to sit and enjoy the wildlife in a big park.
Thank you. There you go. So we have A, B, A, B, A, B. Now, if you take a look at these 2 entries, it's using this. This is the grammar that we learned today. What is it?
Will or won't.
Will or won't. What does it mean again by won't? Guys, if don't is do not, what is won't?
Will not.
Will not. There you go. So we have will or will not. In this case, we are using won't. You know the difference, right? When I say will not, it means it won't be there. Okay, let's check. Everyone, let's say, when we talk about will or won't and the future, let's imagine you are going to have your own eco town. So what will be there in your eco town? Please mention one thing. For example, in my eco town, there will be, oh, I know, there will be yellow buildings. The buildings will be solar panels. So there will be a lot of yellow buildings in my town. How about you? What will be there in your eco town? I'll give you 1 minute again to think about it. You can say one thing like me, there will be yellow buildings, or you can say more than one thing. Means there will be yellow buildings, there will be bike paths, there will be, up to you.
In the future, if they have an eco town, my town will have a school with solar panels.
In my eco town, sorry, one more time, Ira. My eco town will have.
My eco town will have a school with solar panels.
Oh, my eco town will have a school with solar panels. Thank you, Ira. Okay. Others?
In my eco town, there will be a big park, more trees on the side of every
On the side of every
route.
road. Ah, there you go. In my eco town, there will be parks on the side of every road. Nice one. I like the idea. Solar panels at school, parks everywhere. Keisha, Selo, Labiba?
In my eco town, there will be have building.
Labiba, if you already use be, don't use have. In my eco town, there will be buildings.
In my eco town, there will be buildings.
Is it tall buildings or short buildings?
Tall buildings.
Tall buildings. Okay.
In my eco town, there will be wind turbines.
Is it wine or wind turbines?
Wind turbines.
Hang on. Kebalik. It's not wine turbines, wind turbines.
wind turbines.
Okay, one more time, Selo. In my
In my
ecotown,
in my ecotown, there will be wind turbines.
hang on. This is Selo. Wind turbines. Okay. One more time. In my ecotown, there will be wind turbines.
In my ecotown, there will be wind turbines.
There you go. Okay.
In my ecotown, there will be solar panels on top at every tall building.
My ecotown, there will be solar panels on top of every tall buildings. Nice. On top of every tall building. Now that's the will. Now let's try and use the won't. What won't you have in your ecotown? Ding! My ecotown won't have cars and motorcycles because oh no. I'm not going to be that person. My ecotown won't have cars and motorcycles using fuel, using petrol. There you go.
My ecotown won't have wind turbines.
The wine.
Ah, my ecotown won't have wind turbines.
Wind turbines. This is so weird. I'm going to tell you the truth, okay? Ini beneran. Miss Teti udah ngajar 5B berkali-kali dan setiap kali selalu ngomongnya wind turbines. I don't know why. Mesti kebalik ngomongnya wind turbines padahal yang benar wine or wind? Wind turbines. Okay, wind turbines. Tapi selalu aja tiap kali 5B wind turbines, wind turbines, wind turbines. Okay, so go ahead. The others?
My ecotown won't be electric train.
Won't, sorry?
My ecotown won't be electric train.
Won't be sorry Labiba?
Electric train.
Oh, won't have electric trains?
Yes.
Nggak akan punya electric trains? So what will it will use the regular train?
What, Miss?
It will use the regular train. Pakai kereta yang biasa, pakai bahan bakar.
Pakai kereta biasa.
Kan berarti nggak eco. Eco berarti, eco tuh maksudnya ramah lingkungan. Kalau ramah lingkungan, bagusan yang pakai listrik atau yang pakai bahan bakar biasa? Which one? So when you say my ecotown won't have electric trains, berarti pakai kereta biasa, bukan kereta elektrik. Lebih nggak ramah lingkungan dong. Think about it again, Labiba. I'll give you time to think. Okay, let's go to others while we're while Labiba is still thinking.
My ecotown, there won't be a big crowd for cars.
My ecotown won't have, one more time, Alia.
My ecotown won't have a big crowd for cars.
There you go. My ecotown won't have that. Thank you, Aulia.
In my ecotown, won't have electric bus.
The same. So what bus will you use, Selo? Kalau nggak ada bis listrik, berarti pakai bis apa?
Mm,
Guys, you need to remember, eco town means kota ramah lingkungan. Which one is more eco-friendly? Which one is better? Mana yang lebih ramah lingkungan? Yang lebih baik untuk lingkungan? Yang pakai listrik atau yang pakai bahan bakar minyak?
Realistic.
Pakai listrik. That's why we are switching to electric cars these days. Makanya sekarang banyak yang pakai mobil listrik, sepeda listrik. Okay. So think about it again, Selo. I'll give you time to think. We still have Labiba, Selo, and Keisha.
My eco town won't have a fuel car.
There you go. My eco town won't have only a Keisha or fuel cars. Which one?
Fuel cars.
Fuel. Fuel.
Fuel.
Got it. One more time. My eco town won't have.
My eco town won't have fuel cars.
My eco town won't have fuel cars. Fuel cars means mobil yang pakai BBM. There you go. I'll take that. Okay. We still have Selo and Labiba.
My ecotown won't have paddy.
My eco town won't have
Paddy.
paddy. Paddy.
Yes.
Okay. So why is it? Why won't it have paddies?
No. My ecotown won't have wind turbine.
My eco town. Labiba, when we're talking about my eco town won't, seharusnya yang jelek-jelek. Tidak akan punya yang jelek-jelek, yang merusak lingkungan. Wind turbines is actually good for the environment. Remember, wind turbines are changing the wind power into electricity. Jadi nggak pakai bahan bakar minyak, tapi pakai angin yang dirubah jadi listrik. Itu bagus untuk lingkungan. That's good. So when we talk about using won't, it's supposed to be things that are bad for the environment. Kalau kita pakai won't, seharusnya hal-hal yang buruk bagi lingkungan, yang tidak ada di kota kita. Okay, so think about it again, Labiba. Selo, how about you?
my ecotown won't have school building will be made of glass.
My eco town won't have school buildings made of glass.
Will be made of glass.
Why?
Because can look outside.
But you said won't. Won't itu artinya kan tidak punya. Nah, I'm confused. Guys, you do know the difference between will and won't, right? Will itu akan, berarti akan ada, akan punya, will have, will be. Won't means tidak akan. Won't be, tidak akan. Won't have, tidak akan punya. Okay, so when you say my eco town won't have school buildings with glass windows, ya berarti eco townku tidak akan punya sekolah yang pakai jendela kaca. Tapi jawabannya ditanya kenapa supaya bisa melihat keluar loh. I'm confused. Mr. T jadi bingung. Oke. Okay. Back to Labibah.
My ecotown won't have Pol- Pollution.
Get confused,
My
Labiba. One more time, go.
my eco town won't have pollution.
There you go. My town won't have pollution. Selo? There, Labiba is going. Selo?
My eco town won't have other type of transportation.
My town won't have other type of transportation. Jadi sama sekali nggak ada alat transportasi di kotanya Selo.
Use uh,
I'm confused. Okay. I thought you already learned about going green at school. Miss Tati kira kalian sudah pernah belajar tentang ramah lingkungan di sekolah. If you haven't, okay then we are just going to start from scratch. Everyone, if you take a look at this, we're going to hang on a second. I remember there's a okay. Okay, got it. So we're going to talk about what's eco-friendly, what's not eco-friendly, okay? So if you take a look at this, Ira is already on my screen, okay. Aulia too. Now, please write on my screen, we're going to talk about eco-friendly. Eco-friendly means ramah lingkungan, okay? And then in this part, we'll have not eco-friendly. Okay, you can add, what do you think are eco-friendly? Cars, not eco. Oh, wait. What kind of cars, Aulia? Electric cars, fuel cars, or I don't know what. Ira says electric or electric. Habiba, Keisha, let's go. You too. Selo. Fuel cars. There you go. I haven't seen Keisha and Labiba's name on the names on the board. Only Selo, Aulia, and Ira. Kira-kira barang-barang apa aja sih yang ramah lingkungan dan barang apa yang tidak ramah lingkungan? So what things are eco-friendly? What things are not eco-friendly? Bicycles, got it. Keisha, Labiba, seriously, if you can see my screen, I only see Aira, Selo, and Aulia on my screen.
I don't
I don't
see your screen.
What is it, Labiba and Keisha?
I don't see your screen.
Loh,
see.
well, you need to tell me earlier. Dari tadi nggak ngomong, diam-diam. Ah, okay. Okay, hang on. Shared with participants. Okay. Let's check. Okay, try to open the link, Labiba and Keisha. Hang on, guys. Let me stop and then reshare. Wait, wait. Wait, hang on. Where's my star? Wait, wait. Ayun. Star this whiteboard, board history, board log, move to trash. Duh! Where is the star? Huh. I. Okay. Oh, we need to start from the beginning. Oh, okay. Well, this is the deal. We're taking too long with this. Guys, we'll do the usual one, the easiest one. Please type in the chat box eco-friendly things. Let's go. Eco-friendly things. We'll start with eco-friendly things. Go ahead. Bicycles. Got it. What else? Electric bus. Got it. What else? Okay, when you have bicycles and eco-friendly things, does it mean bicycle paths are eco-friendly things? Electric motorcycle. Got it. Electric cars. Got it. Okay. Wind turbines. Got it. Keisha, Labiba, come on. It's now in the chat box. What is solar panels? Okay, Keisha is right. Solar panels. Okay, there you go. What else? Electric tram. There, got it. There are so many things, Aira. Don't get confused. Do you think sidewalks are eco-friendly? What do you think? Are sidewalks eco-friendly? Reusable bags. There you go. Park. Yes. Trees. There. Ah, finally. Anything else? Solar panels. Okay, done. Ah, biodegradable utensils. Okay. You can check on the internet. Eco-friendly things. Yeah, I'm asking you for real, guys. Do you think sidewalks are eco-friendly? Guys, I need answers.
Yes.
So why doesn't anybody ride sidewalks? Reusable straws. There you go. Like sidewalks, bike paths. Why is nobody riding that? There, paper bag. Bike path. Okay. What else?
Ini bodong sama dong, itu nggak ada ini. Di bawah sini, tapi di sana itu nggak ada itu. Bisa beda bisa gitu. Dan gantung
Recycled plastics. There you go. Hello, let's go. Where's Salo going, by the way? What do you do with the water, Labiba? Water what? Reusable water, maybe? Air yang bisa dipakai kembali. So, when you use water for washing your hands, you also use the water to water the plant. Habis dipakai cuci tangan, airnya dibuang ke tanah supaya menyiram tanaman. Water bottles, there you go. Waste management, okay. Bamboo toothbrush, okay. Reusable plastic, okay. Notebook, what do you do with notebook, Cello? Use paper straw. Okay, so it seems that face mask. Why would you need a face mask, Labiba? Kalau kotanya sudah eco-friendly, if the city is eco-friendly, there won't be pollution, right? Seharusnya nggak banyak polusinya. So you won't have to use face masks. Okay, so this is the deal. Green architecture. You already saw the competition entries in your student book. Okay, you also know that they use will or won't to talk about their eco-friendly, their eco-town. What are we going to do? What do you think we are going to do? Any ideas? Learners, what are we going to do?
Make a video.
Make a video?
Kahoot.
What is it, Aulia?
Kahoot.
Robots? What?
Kahoot.
Oh, Kahoot, no. Guys, you see the competition entries in your book. The competition entries are using will and won't. So what are you going to do?
Make a story.
Make a story?
Make a story. Use drawing.
Wait, what? Make a what?
Make a story with drawing.
Make a story with drawing. Guys, astagfirullah. You see competition entries in your book. Got it? Oke, kalian udah lihat ada contoh competition entry di buku kalian. You are also going to make a competition entry of an eco town. Okay, so you have the weekend. This is what we're going to do. The next session, you are going to present an eco-friendly town, your eco-friendly town. So you are free to make your eco-friendly town until the next session. Up to you. But the first thing that you need to do is to make the drawing. Okay. Up to you if you want to use the manual drawing or the digital drawing. The next session, we will have 1.5 hours, right? Kita ada waktu 1,5 jam sesi berikutnya. You will have your presentation in the last 40 minutes, in the last 45 minutes. Presentasinya akan di 45 menit terakhir. So, you still have 45 minutes to make your eco-friendly town. Jadi masih ada waktu 45 menit untuk membuat eco-friendly town kalian. But if you want to make it from now, it's also okay. Kalau mau buat dari sekarang, dicicil, buatnya sampai ke Senin, boleh-boleh aja. Jadi Senin nggak buru-buru. Okay? What will you need to make?
Eco-friendly town.
Eco-friendly town. What's the first thing you make?
Make a drawing.
The drawing. Is it manual or digital?
Up to me.
Up to you. Very good. So first, the drawing of the eco-friendly town. Lihat contohnya di buku, boleh berbeda, boleh mirip, tapi nggak boleh sama. Oke. Okay? So up to you. It can be manual, boleh digambar pakai tangan, or digital. Remember, don't take digital photos and just put it as yours. Tidak boleh namanya ngambil foto gambar digital orang lain terus bilang, Miss, ini kotaku. Pasti bukan ide kalian itu kotanya. Oke, okay? So kalau mau digital pictures, make it digitally. You need to edit the photo or the picture. Okay, And then what else that you need to do? Udah selesai buat gambar, bikin apa lagi?
Presentation.
The presentation. So the presentation will be like this, using
Will
and
or
won't. Got it. If you take a look at this, it's talking about will. Okay, for example, like this. Boats, there won't be any traffic. Kalau kita ngomongin sesuatu, ada kenapanya. So please add the whys in your sentence. You said there will be electric cars because electric cars are eco-friendly. For example, like that. Okay? Now, do you have a question for this project? Masih lama waktunya. Senin juga masih bisa dikerjakan ketika di kelas. But only 45 minutes. Tapi hanya 45 menit waktunya di kelas. Jadi kalau mau dicicil dari sekarang, boleh. Do you have any questions?
no? No.
Labiba, Selo? Is Selo there?
No.
Labiba?
No.
Ini beneran nggak ada pertanyaan. I'm going to ask you in Indonesian. Ada pertanyaan? Boleh nanya pakai bahasa
No.
Indonesia. Beneran?
No.
Okay. So anytime you have questions, you can go to our chat group and ask. For example, Miss, can I use markers? Yes, you can use markers. Okay. Pertanyaan apapun, silakan tanya di group chat. Okay, that's it for today. We will meet again on Monday for your Echo Town presentation. Remember, Echo Town. Okay, so I'll see you then, everybody. Thank you so much for joining today's session. Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye, Miss. Thank you.
Thank you.